Nurses for Wolf is a group of unionized nurses that want to make sure that we talk to all healthcare providers, all nurses, and let the nurses know that your voice is heard. Whether you're unionized or you're not unionized, we're all one voice. Nurses are passionate people, so we can change this. We can do this if we work together.
There's a group of us that are going through the state, and we are literally going boots on the ground, knocking on the doors, talking to people, letting people know that we're nurses, we're out there, we really care about what's going on, that we want Mr. Wolf in there because he really cares about quality.
I knock on the doors, and me being a nurse for Wolf is an important aspect of this. You know, I approach people, and people don't want you to come. They don't know if you're selling something, if you're doing. And I tell them I'm a registered nurse at Allegheny General, and you know their faith softens because I'm a nurse. I support Tom Wolf because he supports us. He supports proper staffing.
We want better nurse staffing ratios because as we have better staffing ratios, we can take care of our patients better.
Make sure that the staffing in facilities and hospitals, that it is appropriately staffed so that people get appropriate care, so that you don't have to keep coming back to the hospital. You don't have to keep spending so much money, you know, that a nurse can be a nurse.
Because if not, you know, the people that you work for, the corporations, they're not going to go ahead and give you that. And that is really, really important. And nurses see the safety in that, and that's the reason why we are pushing for this. And Mr. Wolf is so aware of that, and I know he has elderly parents, and he sees it in healthcare.
He knows how important it is for elderly to have, or not even elderly, just sick, to have home care nurses come. He knows how important it is to keep those facilities available to them, those home care aides that aren't even nurses, they're home care aides that go and take care of these people and see to it that they get their daily needs met. Those people need to be taken care of. Those people need to be paid properly. They can't even live from check to check, and they're going taking care of someone else. So, you know, he has plans put in place to raise the minimum wage and raise their income.
Everybody really has to look back and see what's happened over the past administration and just see how things have changed, and they're not getting better. You know, we're looking at healthcare corporations such as UPMC that are not paying their taxes, and when they're not paying their taxes, everybody suffers. The community suffers, individuals suffer, we suffer collectively at a healthcare system, and Mr. Wolf is really looking to have everybody pay their fair share. He wants to create an equal playing ground for those of us that are out there that are working really hard and to help grow the community in Pittsburgh and all over the state of Pennsylvania.